Last week, I personally visited 40 open houses in San Francisco. 6 days later, 14 were under contract. Listing prices? Somewhere between a suggestion and a joke. Ground Zero, Noe Valley. If you are thinking about buying there, this is the most useful 6 minutes you will spend on it. By the end of this video, you will have a scoring framework, hard filters, and a 10-point score, so you know which houses to pursue and which to pass on. Most buyers never build one. What you do with it is entirely up to you. San Francisco prices up 23% year over year. 3 out of 4 homes selling above asking. Supply compressed into something closer to an auction than a market. One neighborhood. Transaction data, Noe's estimate. This channel publishes data-driven breakdowns every day, the kind your listing agent does not send you. If that sounds useful, the subscribe button is right there. If any of this is already stressing you out, the like button helps. We pulled the transaction data for Noe Valley, all 2026 listings through end of March, 70 total. January, 58% above asking. Average premium just under $500,000 per transaction, over asking. February, 93% above asking. The one house that did not sell is probably still in therapy. Average premium, $548,000. March, 4 closings. Average premium, $1.2 million. Sold price, $3.7 million. March is playing a completely different sport. Total, 74% above asking. Average premium just under $600,000 over list. Budget to list price in Noe Valley, and you are budgeting for a different year. That is the market. Here is what you can actually do about it. The buyers who tend to win here walked in with a scoring sheet, not a wish list. A wish list is Redfin at 11 at night. Sellers know the coffee trick. Tier 1, hard filters, flat street grade, 3 bedrooms minimum, move-in condition, no active permits, no deferred work. Any missing, probably not the right fit. Tier 2, scored criteria, 3 worth 2 points each. Primary suite, outdoor space, remodeled kitchen and baths. 4 worth 1 each. Floor plan, natural light, 24th Street walkability, parking. Max 10, 7 or above, worth staging your financing for. 6, worth a showing. Below 6, your Saturday is probably better spent elsewhere. Our team at Big Data Realty runs this sheet on any listing before you walk through the door. Link in description. 2 things driving this market. First, finished homes command premiums that fixer-uppers cannot match. Homes pending average 1.9 million. Homes that actually closed average 2.9. That gap is condition, not location. A completed renovation is a price multiplier because San Francisco permitting runs at DMV pace and the DMV is on hold. Nobody wants the project, they want the product. Second, buyers who are closing arrive with cash equivalent offers because waiving the appraisal is what gets deals done. The house gets cash. Next video, we break down why the gap between list and sale price keeps widening and what Q2 is already suggesting. Worth subscribing for if this kind of analysis is useful to you. Genuinely curious in the comments, if a 9 out of 10 listing dropped tomorrow, is your financing actually ready? No judgment. Well, a little. If the approach so far has been checking Zillow and hoping for the best, understandable, but not a strategy. Our team at Big Data Realty uses the same transaction data you just saw to help buyers put together offers that win without overpaying by 6 figures. Homes here go under contract in 9 days. If you want to talk through your next showing, the link is in the description. One thing worth knowing, the scoring sheet cannot make your financing ready. Ready means your ceiling is already set, so that when a 7 or above hits the market, you can actually move on it. The version of house hunting where you walk in, fall in love, and then scramble to figure out the rest. That is how you end up paying the number for the rest of your life, or losing the house to someone who ran the math on a Tuesday morning. The score tells you when. Financing tells you how. This market is not particularly patient. I visited 40 open houses last week. 14 gone in 6 days. February, 93% above asking. Average premium $600,000 over list. Still the first quarter. If you found this useful, subscribing means you will have the next one before most people do. Big Data Realty. We run the numbers so you know when to move.